Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change aspect ratio of your video in CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC and I have added a video to my CapCut timeline. And if you want to change the aspect ratio of this video, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the video. Then we can tap on the ratio option. Then just select the ratio you would like to apply to your video. And for example, I'm gonna go with 9:16 ratio. So we can just click on it. And now as you can see that the ratio has been changed. And I'm going to adjust the position of the object like this. Okay, and it's done. That's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can change aspect ratio of our video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.